Hi, I wanted to talk about 5 things to avoid when you're trying to make money online. This is a short video, so I would appreciate it if you would sign up to like and to comment on my video for this one, and sign up for the timer to be notified in any future videos. Number one, in the 5 things to avoid is don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. There's a lot of stuff out there where people are trying to get you to join their money-making opportunity, and you need to not just jump from one to the next. You need to figure out which ones you're going to deal with and stick with them until you've learned them and mastered them. Don't forget to research those opportunities in depth. That's number 2. Before you invest any money or spend any time online, it's crucial to research the company or the platform and look for reviews and feedbacks before you sign up. Don't ignore your skill set. What are you good at? What can you contribute to making money online? You need to evaluate that and to start to use those and develop them if you need to. Now, making a video, most people say I can't make a video, and then you try and you get better over time. So you develop skills as you go along, but look at the ones you already have and try and utilize them. And then be consistent. Most people overlook that and are not consistent. Do something every day, but do something that focuses on one thing that you're going to learn and perfect, and be consistent day in and day out, at least for a good period of time, until you know whether you're going to be successful or not. I have a friend who started out in online marketing, and it was like 3 or 4 years before he started to make any money at it. So he was consistent, and he was bulldogged in how he went about it. And then don't be ethical in whatever you do, and look at the legal requirements, and put disclaimers on your sites, and those things will help you in many ways and in running your business. So those are the 5 things. If you would like my site or this video, I'd appreciate it. Comment, please, if you have any questions. I have a couple of links to the businesses that I am working on right now. I've been with one business for a very long time. It's a done-for-you business that they help you set it up and get it up going and teach you how to market it. But right now I'm also looking at promoting a traffic and email business that helps you set up 3 or 4 lines of income, and at the same time they do a lot of the email marketing for you. So is what I have for today, and I'll see you on the next one.